Hi, my name is Heather Meredith, and I am the owner of Head of Hair Salon in Midlothian, Virginia. When we decided to do the remodel, we were in an old colonial building that we had taken up several spaces over the years, and so the salon was really kind of cut up. It didn't have a good flow to it. We had about 4,000 square feet at the time. We really wanted to create a space that had more light, more windows, just an overall better flow. When you walk through our front door, I think the first thing you notice is the gorgeous floor. It's absolutely my favorite part of the salon. And then you notice the custom cabinetry, the table that we have for promotions of the month. We've got a gorgeous chandelier. The retail shelves are nicely lit to promote all of our partner brands that we carry, and it just gives a warm, nice, boutique-y, upscale boutique-y feeling. When you leave the retail area, you walk into the big cutting room, which has 8 quad stations. It has big, beautiful visuals. It has beautiful chandeliers above each station, and it creates space for you to talk to your neighbor that's getting their hair done if you want to have a conversation, or just relax and enjoy your time. It's just a very inviting space. A lot of our clients say that it reminds them of New York, and we've got beautiful windows in that space and wonderful lighting and a beautiful ceiling, and it just invites you to come in and sit down and get your hair done and enjoy your time. Right off of our main cutting space is our beautiful shampoo lounge. We used to have 6 shampoo chairs, now we have 12. We have beautiful custom cabinetry in there as well, and the lighting in there is softer to promote relaxation. Also, those floors are beautiful too. Our color bar is really the focal point of the whole salon. It is 18 feet long, front and back. It holds 4,500 colors front and back. It has drawers. It has a deep well that holds all of our processing solutions, and our bleaches, our foils, everything has their place. There's this beautiful wallpaper behind the color bar, and it just sets off the whole room. Then you come to a quieter room that we have standalone stations. And that is just for the client that wants to kind of get away from the noise and the hubbub of the big cutting room. That station has these gorgeous mirrors and the same mirrored pedestals, beautiful sconces on the walls, and we have a processing table that has a chandelier that matches the sconces right in front of a window that clients can sit and process, drink their coffee, relax, have a beverage. We really love our bathrooms in the salon too. We find clients going in to take selfies all the time. The staff takes selfies. Each bathroom has its own theme, different wallpaper in each bathroom, penny tiles up the wall, a really pretty mirror and lighting. We just love our bathrooms. We wanted an office that would be comfortable yet just feel really at home, and just a warm and inviting space. We have family pictures on the walls. We have stickers on our door that says everywhere we've been for education, and it's just, that's kind of our space away from the crowd. We are really proud of our space. It was about a year in the making. We sat down with Millard Kwan that did our design for our remodel, and they really captured how I felt about the vibe and the feeling of the salon. I'm just excited to walk in here every day in our beautiful space and just grow our stylists and just have a great place to nurture friendships within the building and give our team just a wonderful place to come to work every day.